Okay, finding x on supplementary angles. Okay, so if I open up the Google Doc to get started here, so you're going to see all the problems are over here on the left-hand side, and then you're going to be typing your answers over here. So find the value of a in the set of supplementary angles. So the important thing to remember here is supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. So I'm looking at this for problem number 1, and I see that this is a supplementary angle. It makes that straight line, and it shows us that this angle right here, that arc, is 50 degrees. And we need to find A, which is going to be this other arc over here. So to figure out what A is, I'm going to take the 180 degrees that we know we have total. This total makes 180 degrees. I'm going to take away that 50 degrees, and I'm going to be able to find out what A is. And then it's going to be the same thing for question 2. We know that this is a straight line. It's going to add up to 180 degrees. And we're given this is 142 degrees. We need to figure out what this remaining little piece is. So we're going to subtract. And then you're going to do the same thing going all the way down. So for number 3, I'm going to see I have 180 degrees, take away the 92, figure out what that equals. Number 4, start with my 180 degrees, take away the given 90 degrees, and you can use a calculator to do this. Don't make it any harder. It's not supposed to be very hard. Use your calculator, plug it right in. Number 5, I'm given 132 degrees, I need to find out what A is. Okay, so it's pretty repetitive here. Take my 180 minus the 32, what am I going to get? Number 6, I'm given this little bit of bitty angle is 20, this little cute angle is 20. I need to figure out what this remaining angle is. What is A going to be? 180 minus 20 equals. Number 7, given 127 degrees. Find out what's left over for A. Minus 127. Number 8, given 51 degrees. Need to figure out what A is. So 180 minus 51. 9. We're given 121 degrees. I need to figure out what A is. So do my 180 minus 121 equals. So you're plugging these in and finding your answer. 10. We're given 24 degrees. Need to figure out what's going to be left. Okay? I think it's pretty straightforward from there. Best of luck.